Welcome back to the Code with Mon Programming channel. In today's video, we will create a Java program file in the IntelliJ IDEA tool. Remember, any Java program file will have the extension .java. And inside that .java file, the name of the public class is the same as the Java file name. For example, if the file name is program.java, the public class name will be program. To close a Java code file, just click on the X to the right of the file name. Now we will create a new Java file in this open project. Click on the SRC folder in the project window on the left side of the screen. Then left-click, select New, next select Java class. A new window appears, you choose class by default. Then name the file, which is also the name of the public class. The class name must be a noun or noun phrase that has meaning in itself. About class naming rules, class names start with an uppercase letter, followed by lowercase letters and numbers. Only letters and numbers should be used to name classes in Java. If a class name consists of multiple words, the words should be written together and the first letter of each word should be capitalized. For example, the class name Mimizer consists of two words. The first letter of each word is capitalized, two words written together. Do not start a class name with a lowercase letter, a number, or a special character such as an asterisk, a question mark, or a hyphen. Do not use any characters other than letters, numbers, or underscores in the class name structure. In Java, uppercase and lowercase letters are clearly distinguished. Therefore, mother will be different from mother and different from mother. Now, I will name the Java class as first program. After typing the name, press Enter on the keyboard or Return on the MacBook. The programming tool will create for you a class with the name you specified. So we have a Java program file. Next is to create the content for the Java program. You place the mouse cursor right after the opening curly bracket and press the Enter key. For the program to run, we need the main method. Type main, then press Tab or Enter so that the tool can automatically generate code quickly. This tool is very good and helps us type code very well. In the main method, you will type code to do the work you want. For example, display a message. To type a shortcut to print a command to the screen, type SOUT then press Tab. Then you create double quotes and type the content you want to display inside. For example, I will print the message, I am learning Java programming. Then you press the Run button to run the program to see the results. You can change the message to be printed as you like, so you know how to create a Java program file. Repeat the operation, right-click on SRC, select New, Java class, name the class and press Enter. To create the main method, type main, then press Enter or Tab. Then you type the code inside the main method. In a Java file, there may or may not be this main method. However, for the program to run, Java allows you to create a main method in each class. We have just learned the syntax and how to create the first program file. Now, I will add more advanced knowledge for you. In a Java file, there can be many different classes. For example, I will create classes X, Y, Z. However, only one public class is allowed with the same name, the .java file. If you add another class public, for example, I will make class X a public class. Immediately the tool will report an error underlined in red for us. Usually in a .java file, we only create one public class and the auxiliary classes are only related to that class, not creating all the classes in a Java file. This lesson ends here. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more great programming content.